Alhamdulillah, the baby is safe until now. They grow up now. That's true story. And then what else? Because my hobby isn't reading. I don't like reading actually, but yeah, when the story on the book is very interesting, I will write the book. So that's we don't have any favorite one, but I read some books from many animals.
Yeah, what is that? Some books?
Yeah, like Asmanedia. I forget some.
If you don't have favorite book, you tend to forget the author
Yeah.
or the title because you only like
The story,
Oh.
I very like true story that some writer writes on non-fiction. Yeah.
Like one of it. Like one.
I don't remember. I have three books that I bought 2 or 3 years ago that I